Hi guys, it's your girl, Mrs. Balance Sheet, and I'm coming to you with a quick video about a topic that I get asked all the time. And as an accountant, my clients come into my office and, their taxes are done. And sometimes, people are like, well, how do I get a $10,000 refund check that I hear my neighbors say that they received? So, if you've ever wondered that, I just want to break it down and explain to you how to get a $10,000 refund check. Now, is a $10,000 check, is getting a $10,000 check a good thing or a bad thing? I mean, it depends on your perspective. For me, I do not want a $10,000 refund check because there's only two ways to get a $10,000 refund check. And let me just add this disclaimer. This video is being done in 2017, so we are not speaking of any refundable tax credit like the first time homebuyer credit that they did like back in, I think, the maybe '08, around '08, for $15,000 per couple, or $7,500 per individual was the amount. And we're not speaking about the adoption credit, because that was a huge credit at one point. I believe in 2011 and 2012, they were giving individuals up to $12,500 completely refundable per adoption of a child. So, and there were more criteria. It's not like everybody who adopted a child got it. But anyhow, we're not speaking of those credits. Those credits don't exist. They're not refundable like they were before. So in 2017, there are two ways to get a $10,000 refund check. The first way is to qualify for the Earned Income Credit. The Earned Income Credit, generally speaking, is a credit for individuals who do not make enough money or live pretty close to the poverty line. And have, well, you can qualify if you do not have kids, but to get the $10,000, you have to have a couple of kids. So the average individual who may get a $10,000 refund check is someone who makes anywhere between $10,000 to $25,000 a year, and has anywhere from, you're not going to get it if you only have one child, but anywhere from 2 to 3 kids. Those individuals, will qualify, and if their income taxes are prepared correctly, they could get up to $10,000. So I don't know about you, but I don't want to be in that category. So if you want $10,000, that's the first way to get it. The second way to get a $10,000 refund check is to be on the other end of the spectrum. And that would be to be an individual that makes way above the average American salary, maybe 2 or 3 times the average American salary. So someone who makes maybe, anywhere from $100,000 to $150,000 a year, and maybe instead of paying, they've overpaid basically. They probably, could have paid like $30,000 a year in taxes when they really should have paid $20,000 a year in taxes. So then at the end of the year, when their taxes are prepared and they have, sufficient deductions and tax credits that they're claiming, then they could get a $10,000 check. Now, me personally, again, I don't want to be in the second category either, because what I would prefer is to not overpay the government, get my money throughout the year, so I'm able to invest my money the way I want to, so that it can work for itself and grow, or use my money the way I want to use it to, go on vacation, save, whatever. I don't want the government keeping $10,000 of my money for 365 days of the year, and then at the end of the year they issuing me a refund, and I'm like, oh yeah, great. No, it's not great, because they just kept your money. They're not giving you any interest on your money, but you're getting a check and you're happy. So I know I'm giving you my financial perspective and professionally. So those are the two ways to get a $10,000 refund check. Either you don't make enough money, so you qualify for they add it together, the earned income credit and the additional child tax credit. If you have enough kids and your income is just at the right amount, low enough, you can get a $10,000 refund check. On the other end of the spectrum, if you make a lot of money and you overpay $10,000 when you file your taxes, you can get a $10,000 refund check. So those are the two ways in 2017. Of course, as we know, the IRS changes rules, but right now, those are the two ways. There's been different things in the past to get you to $10,000, but currently in 2017, those are the only two ways. So just in case you're wondering what the average tax refund check is for the average American, it's $3,500. So if you're getting anywhere around that, then you're okay. I mean, some individuals want to bring home as much money throughout the year and just break even. They don't mind if they owe a little bit or if they get a small refund. Then some individuals like to get a large refund because that's their way of saving. So there's no right or wrong way, but I just wanted to give you guys the information as far as how to get a $10,000 refund check. So if you have any comments, go ahead and leave them below. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos about personal and business finance. I also discuss my faith, my family, fitness, and fun on my channel. So thanks for watching, and you have a blessed day. Thank you.